what's going on. I just need 2 seconds of your time before we get into another adventure. But I wanted to say thank you to all you guys that have jumped on our app, supported it, and really backing us in to keep this stuff going. Now, also, it's not a negative, but I just wanted to say we're trying new things and we're trying to grow, we're trying to make it better for you guys. That's all we're trying to do. But if we do something you don't like, just tell us and we'll change it. All we're trying to do is the right thing and give you guys something better. You don't, and this is only at a very small minority, so we get a lot of love from you guys, but very small minority, you don't have to spit the dummy, carry on, be nasty. I don't want that stuff involved in what we do. We don't want to see it. Like, either just go away and don't watch, or just be nice and tell us, okay, we didn't like the way you did that, and we won't do it, or whatever. And with the app, that's something for only those that want to be on it. Like, if you want to be a part of us giving lots of prizes away every month, if you want to maybe come on a trip with us, and if you want to see the behind the scenes content and score a discount, and just genuinely if you want to support us, because like, yes, we're trying to make money off the app, like it's helping fuel these adventures and the lifestyle and all that, but we're also like putting as much as we can back into it. If you don't want to be on it, that's all good. Just watch stuff that's on YouTube. We're still giving you videos, but don't be nasty. That sucks. Anyways, the rest of that series that was playing is on the app and you can go and watch the rest of it. But I've got to show you this trip. We went on a helicopter. Hope you enjoyed. G'day guys, welcome back to another episode.
Can you be serious?
To start this episode, Larissa's been upset this morning. And that's my friend Sean.
Hi.
Do you want to tell us why you're upset this morning?
I had to drop Tyra off at Josh's brother and girlfriend's place.
We're going heli fishing in the NT. Thanks to Sean, who's lined it up. Very last minute mission. We kind of spoke about it a bit. We've been talking about it for years, and then I always come up with an excuse to stop me going. But this time, Shawnee's booked it in. He said, I'll meet you at the airport. And
you can hear them buffing from here.
Yeah, they're going off. We've got a cyclone rocking up here, and there's the cyclone in WA, and we're going to be sweet right in the middle of it. And Larissa loves flying.
I got me. Just made it through airport security.
We didn't get busted for being bad.
We're all passes, which is great. I think you already showed this last time you went down here, didn't you?
Yeah, I know, in New South Wales. Yellow shops are pretty cool, eh? Imagine if they made tackle stores like that. It would be broke.
Okay, that's us through the gates. Now we're just going to go find our gate and then coffee.
Yeah, coffee time.
And then...
Baritone.
Yeah, get on the plane. Coffee.
Coffee. No coffee.
We've had our coffees. Josh is doing business emails and we're waiting for the plane.
To whom it may concern.
Getting some stuff done.
Getting angry. Who's going to catch the biggest fish? Probably not me.
Are any of us in the meter club yet?
Not salt.
Huh?
Not in the salt.
Shawnee got a 97 in the salt the other day.
Yeah.
Just come up
Spent
short.
all my tickets.
And then...
What's your
my
biggest?
biggest? Was it
80, 85.
like 85? 85? What's yours?
Small. I don't even care about how big they are. I'm going on a helicopter for the first time, so. What do you reckon's better? Hospital food or plane food?
How could you go wrong with one of these?
If only you guys could smell this. safely.
We got there.
Alright, we just gonna get all our stuff and then head to our hotel. You're in it for the money.
Oh, that's what I'm getting.
You're in it for the love. Get away from me. We just got to 3133 Wood Street, 3133.
We made it!
Thanks, brother. That's a taxi man. Here we are. What's this place called? We're at the Oaks.
Made it to the room.
We stopped and got some Vegemite little scroll things.
Breakfast. This is a nice little place. Bedroom. Oh, look at the view. Sick. Hey. It's got a nice view. I can see the ocean. Ocean views.
Happy with the result?
Yeah.
How's this? This is our first ever fishing trip where we've got an apartment.
Luxury.
Luxury. You got couch, 2 bedrooms, so you showed all that.
Oh, sort of.
This is bougie. We've just got a little a round of show and tell. I don't know if anyone remembers that from school, but
This is a fizzer. This goes.
you meant to introduce yourself first.
Sorry. Cut. Hello, everybody. My name is Sean, and this is my tackle box. You can look, but you can't touch.
Do you want to get your favourite lure? You show Sean your favourite lure.
What's my favorite little?
It's in the bag. Go get it.
Mine got a little bit damaged in my baggage, but the Wilson shrimp gonna catch me a meatery. Nah, the $1 million fish actually. I don't care about the meatery.
I've packed the exact same thing in, so it must be a pretty bloody good lure.
Back on the scooters again. Whoa, nearly hit a pole. I'm going to...
Are we safe to cross?
No? Fucking fish was hit by car.
We're going to do some fish feeding at high tide. It'll be fun.
Yeah, we're looking up things to do in Darwin.
Hold
Apparently
on.
there is fish feeding down at the marina somewhere, so that is where we are heading.
Finally, I'm on my way back.
Yeah, our weight limit's
I'm
beeping because the rest is sitting on the
Oh,
back.
it's all those chockies we had before we left.
Dr. Scully's fish feeding.
Here we go, down the hill. Hold on.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, she's going fast!
Wait, 22k an hour. Hooking. Beeping at me. Wait, we got bells too.
Just slow down.
We may have some bad news.
Terrible news.
Tuesday, Wednesday, closed.
Hold on.
Right, you got your feet on?
Yep.
Pretty cool through here.
So nice. Such a nice little ride. Oh,
Right?
yeah.
Where'd Sean go? He's boosting.
He's off.
Hey, come back here. What do you reckon?
Let's do it.
Big follow?
Excited.
Larissa's filming an Instagram story. Look at this. What do you reckon of this one? He's lying there, eh? It's a big thing. Fishing for a croc.
Is that a foot? What's a foot?
Yeah. Have to tease him a bit. Get it in front of his head. Oh yeah, there we go.
Good morning. It is bright and early.
It's not bright yet.
We're just about to go down to the Uber and it's time for us to go catch a barramundi. Woo guys, don't be too excited.
It's not bright yet.
It's still dark as outside. But let's go get into it.
Oh, you got any pimples?
No, I didn't do my eyebrows.
Me neither.
It's just a bit wet at the moment, but we're going. Get out of here. We just landed at spot one. It's a bit windy, it's a bit rainy. I can see a bunch of mullet in the water. And we're gonna walk this way. So this trip is with Nautilus Helifish, and they pretty much guide you. They'll take you to all the spots, try and put you on the fish. We're the time of year we've booked, so it's about almost going to start running off, and that means in the wet season all the floodplains fill up with water, and we're a little bit early, so that there's still a lot of water around. So take us and try and get us onto a few fish if it's possible, but we are early, so we're going to have to work hard today. Let's catch a barra! Woohoo! On the Helifish trips, they bring a bag of tackle. You don't have to bring anything. They've got rods, tackle, and the fishing spots. First fish of the trip.
Yeah, good. Good healthy fish. Stoked.
Look at him. Woo!
We got a good one here.
Boy, on.
Yeah, good fish.
The boys are on. He's got him over the tree. Oh, it's a good fish.
No, he snagged up in his off.
God damn. Sean's on. Oh, he's got him around the tree.
Get him around this and then just use him. Here we go.
Nah. Oh.
What we'll do, hopefully it goes back out to the middle. Yeah. Try and get your little snag on the middle. And once it gets off, just, there you go. Yeah. Hopefully you get him upstream and then just walk back with it.
Oh. Yes! Oh, he's only just pinned.
Walk back. Walk back. Hold him there.
Oh, he's a good one! Woohoo!
Good fish, he'd be very close to 80, I reckon. Nice healthy chromie.
Josh is on.
I've just jumped off the camera for a second. Oh no, he's going downstream.
Get him, Josie!
He's got me going downstream into the trees. No!
Oh, he's making a mess of you!
He's way down past the tree. Nah, gone. Oh,
Yep.
I've hooked a thready. He's dropped the barra and hooked a thready. Oh, that was a good barra. I didn't get him out of the current quick enough. But anyways, I've swapped him for a thready. Woo-hoo-hoo! He's gonna dust me as well. Oh no.
Got you in the tree.
He's got me in the trees as well. I just hooked probably the biggest barra I've ever hooked in my life. I dropped him and now I've been done by a little Freddy. Oh yeah, here it comes. Oh!
Woo, good job!
Yeah! It's absolutely going off. I just lost a monster barra, dropped it, and then this thing's jumped straight on the lure. Threadfin salmon. I'll get these grippies out. We've got to stay back from the water. There's the crocs, but we'll get him back. First spot's going off. Come on, Larissa, you can land one. No, she's on. Go on, what do you got? Whoa! Both the girls are on. The camera's wet because of the water. Get it up, Larissa. What do we got here?
Yeah, I'm on a barrel.
Got a barra on here. What do you got, a Freddy? Whoa! Oh, that's a good one too. What do you got? Freddy. Walk it back. Walk it back. Oh, you lost yours. Oh, hey, I'll let you sort this fish out. We'll quickly go have a look at Sean's and then we'll come back here. Coming. Oh, Sean's coming this way.
I'll bring the action to you guys.
Oh, look at this thing.
Badass.
Good fish, eh? That is a stonker. Send him back.
I just caught my first threadfin salmon. That is so sick.
It has the whiskers on it.
Oh,
Wicked.
so cool. Chuck him back.
Yeah. Shawnee's on a good barra again. Whoa! Have a go! Another good one. Another one. It's raining, but the fish are going off. Just as I went to cast, Larissa's got nailed. There you go. Oh, hold on to it. You're right, just leave him there. Good job.
That's ready. Have a look at that. He wolfed that.
Look at the mouth on him.
Alright, we'll chuck him back.
Send him in.
Alright, I don't want to get too all my full stuff.
Bit muddy. Ready? Send him.
Yeet.
Yeah, girl.
Woo!
Good fish this one, slow rolled, soft plastic. Come out and jammed it, here he is, just here.
Oh, it's a good one.
Fish, eh? Wish I hadn't have seen that.
Meter mark? No?
He'd be up there, probably in the 90s. Come back here on it.
Oh, it's a good fish. That's a cracking fish.
Oh, nice one. Oh yeah.
You call
How
it?
good is that? Wet season runoff.
He's close.
What, 90? What is it?
96.
96?
96! Shawnee's just grabbed a 96 out of the creek.
One last look at that nice fish. Fat, healthy fish. How good. That's what it's all about, baby!
That first spot went absolutely crazy, but we're gonna jump back in the heli and the part's gonna take us to a new spot.
We just seen those water buffaloes. That was pretty cool. Big pack of them. But yeah, we're just gonna have a throw down here and see if we can catch something. You reckon, Larissa?
I'm gonna give it a go.
Get in there, Larissa. Go steal his fish. Oh, stacking it. Sean just got boofed here.
Make sure you stay.
It's a bit mid-80s. Yeah. Got him?
Oh,
he's good.
Larissa's on to a good one.
Where'd he go?
Take your time, take your time.
Go easy on it.
I'll get out of the way.
That's a good one.
You don't have to wear him out.
I got a barrel.
That's later. You can pull him up or.
Yep.
Grab that, Larry. I only just got him.
Yeah! Woo! Oh. On one. Oh. Turbo.
See the bull after that?
Don't chuck it back.
What are you doing to me?
Get him, Sean. Oh! You alright, babe? Oh, we got so much going on here. Do you want to help, babe?
Can you grab that?
There's two stoinkers! Hellyfish!
Oh, that's so sick. We just thought we'd give this one a go. And they seen it from the water.
Wow, that's a monster.
And
Then
Sean
what have we got here? Hold on to him.
This has just hit me. A little bit bigger than mine,
Wow,
but
how good's
it's a
that?
great fat fish.
Jump over here and get a little happy snap together. Sean's not ready. How good's that? Jellyfish.
Right on.
He's look got brother and sister. Alright, sick. How good's that?
Let him go.
Let him go.
Bye.
What do we say? Hey,
Thank you, Ryan.
thanks, Ryan. Thank you, pilot.
Spotted one. Oh,
And that's
not up there.
Beautiful thing about filming is you get to cut a lot of this stuff out.
Do we?
If you're a nice person.
I'm not too sure about that.
Yeah.
Should I just snap this or?
Yeah, Ryan's just rigging us another one anyway, so just be a straight swap over. Just get
Oh, got him!
Good little bit of lunch.
A little bit of lunch, some chicken, rice, bit of salad.
Perfect.
Very good. A few flies.
He's going to do the exact same thing. Oh, this one's absolutely rinsed. Around that tree. Should have just winched him straight in.
Oh.
Oh, he's coming around.
Oh, there's another one out there.
There's a lot of water pushing out there, so if he gets out there, he's gone. Oh.
Oh, the tick is going. Legs are going like jelly. Oh, see the mullet he's got. You might get a shot here, Joshy.
You just tell me when and I'll grab it.
Go, lip grip, mouthy. Mouthy. Yep, get him up. That's only one single.
Got him?
Woo!
That's a big fish.
He's got to go close again, that thing.
And that's 98 now.
That's 99 if I've ever seen one.
What are we calling?
98, I reckon. I've got here. I'll be honest.
No, he's not even. Oh, 95, 94, 95. Oh.
Jesus.
Healthy fish.
yours on again. Oh!
Got him?
Just ripped it up.
Another one.
He might take me off actually. Just wait, just wait.
What am I waiting for?
Very green.
That. He's stumpy as. He forgot to grow long.
Look how tall he is.
Oh, there you go. A bit cleaner. Look at that. That is good barra.
Fat fish.
Sick.
Thank you.
Very good, team.
Got the job done.
Have a go.
Better win.
Pretty good. We battled the weather. We were patient. And then, yeah, Ryan brought us this one last spot, and there was a few big fish caught. Very, very cool. Just landing the chopper here, and then catching fish. We are out of here. And we're back home, and she's raining here too. But something pretty cool, we did a deal with Helifish. So if you're going to book a trip, or you want to book a trip, in the offers tab of the app you'll find a link, and you'll be able to book and get a 5% discount on your trip. So pretty bloody cool, definitely recommend. It was such a cool experience fishing from a helicopter. And yeah, make sure you get a discount if you want to go up there and do the same thing. They have heaps of different trips that you can do. You can camp out overnight, you can go to lodges, you can do a lot more. We just did a single day trip, and we got really bad weather, so we only got to go to a couple of spots, but we're definitely going back. And if you want to get a trip out there, make sure you get your discount.